Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. Today I'm in this HDB 4-room flat which is at block 178C Rivervale Crescent. So the size of this house is 1001 square feet. So let me show you this place. So straight away entering from the entrance itself, you have this partition over here and a settee so you can sit down here to wear your shoes properly. And then owner likes fish, so he has this fish tank over here. And in terms of the kitchen, right, it is properly done out, so you can actually reuse the whole carpentry. It is still in very good condition. Alright, so coming to the living and dining itself, you have a proper dining and also a living space. Okay, this place is actually bright and breezy. Okay, as I can feel the breeze over here, and it's also very bright. Okay, so going to the bedroom, right, there is no combined bedroom, it's all intact. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 bedroom over here. Okay, and you can see that they have a very good length of the wall, right, so you can actually do a lot of things over here including doing a proper TV feature wall. So staying in this part of Sengkang is actually nice and cozy because it's a very quiet environment. Day in, day out is actually very quiet. So if you want to have a place that you can rejuvenate, right, so this is a very nice place. You do have